It's game day and we're making a hot honey chicken dip. I'm also going to show you my favorite refreshing drink that I make for myself at parties. This is going to be good. Really good. Okay, so we're starting off with a rotisserie chicken. Super easy. Pick it up from the grocery store. Softened cream cheese, mozzarella, the melty kind. I'm also going to be using some buffalo wing sauce and honey. Here I'm going to season with garlic herb seasoning blend, some granulated onion powder. I'm also going to use crushed red pepper flakes. The ratios are up to you. I'll give you something in the description below. And smoked paprika. So go ahead and tear into the chicken. For this recipe we're going to use the 2 chicken breasts for this. And you definitely can use maybe like 3/4 of a pound of cooked shredded chicken. And my husband's just going to start shredding this. I'm going to eat the skin. He likes the other one too. So you'll want to shred it. If you have easier ways to shred chicken, do that. I'm going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit while he's doing that. Now, softened cream cheese goes in. You'll want to add a cup of shredded cheese. You could use cheddar if that's what you have. A half teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and like a half teaspoon of this garlic herb blend. A lot of the ratios are up to you and your taste. Here I'm going to add like maybe a half cup of that buffalo sauce and a 1/4 cup of this honey. If you want to switch up the ratios, give everything a mix, taste, and adjust to your preference. Okay, so you'll want to mix everything well, and you'll want to make sure that the cream cheese is softened, so pop it into the microwave for 15 to 20 seconds. So right now, a lot of people are probably getting ready for game day, and some of you still don't know what you're going to make, or maybe you are having carne asada, but you want an appetizer. Go to the store now, get a rotisserie and all these ingredients, and make the dip. It comes together quick. Okay, I'm putting this into a pie plate. This amount fits into an 8-inch, 9-inch pie dish, and just put it all in there. And then you'll want to sort of spread it out evenly. Now with maybe 3/4 of a cup of the shredded cheese, just put that on top. I'm going to add part of the cheese and drizzle some more of that wing sauce, that buffalo wing sauce. You could definitely use Louisiana hot sauce. You could use a spicier wing sauce. It's up to you. I find using the mild one helps me to control kind of like the heat preference. Okay, so now sprinkle on your seasonings to your preference. I'm going to add that smoked paprika on top. And now into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. I'm going to show you this very simple Shirley Temple. I always say this, I don't reinvent the wheel, but sometimes I like to share with you the things that I do that I just prefer. I really don't drink, so when I go to parties or when I have parties, I love to sort of do these like non-alcoholic just mixtures of soda. And Shirley Temple, that's the top of my list because I love the lime and the sweetness from the cherries and the soda. Okay, ice, 7-Up, some more 7-Up, the lime slices. I've already put fresh lime juice in it and the cherries with some of the syrup. That's it, that's a drink. Sorry if that's underwhelming for you, but I don't know, it's just so refreshing today. I'm probably gonna make another one for my family, but yeah. So again, if you got people coming over and you're trying to think of creative ways to get something as an appetizer or a fun drink, there you go. So you want to carefully remove it from the oven, and I'm actually going to try it, but you can garnish with more of the sauce, honey, crushed red pepper flakes. You want to add parsley or chives. It's up to you. Oh, I need another chip. So this is great as is, but I want to garnish it And I'm just going to drizzle more of that wing sauce on top. And I'm also going to drizzle honey. I think it needs more crushed red pepper flakes, so I'm going to shake some on top. And like I said, garnish how you like and dig in. And this literally took less than 30 minutes to make, and just in time for game day. You can make this as guests arrive, so it's hot and fresh, but it's so good. So if you need to make this dip, go out and get the ingredients. It's so easy. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.